$5 3 to 2 blackjack. I believe it said 24/7. $3 beer and slots. Shots, not slots. So they're making an attempt. I think you have to start with the young people, and the rest will follow. So $3 beer, $3 shot, $5 mystery shot. Why would I want to get a mystery shot for more than the $3 shot? Unless the $3 shot's real shitty, which I guess it is. So decent beers for $3. The $3 shots, that might be a well shot, which is not very well. Pretty quiet in here, but it is just getting dark. So 7:45 maybe? 7:50. That was 5 minutes off. Steak and Shake. That is a doornail. $3 pop-up. That's $5 blackjack right there. 3 to 2. Actually, that table over there might be the 3 to 2. We'll look at that in a minute. $3 virtual. Sleepy employee at Steak and Shake. $3 virtual roulette. Mainly what I wanted to see is if there's any movement at all in this space where Hooters was, because they claim they're doing something. I'm guessing, I haven't seen it yet, I'm guessing no. So far I'm right. Not in the first section, nothing going on. They put some slot machines in front of the entrance to the Hooters restaurant. Like that's gonna fool somebody. I guess it could fool somebody, but not me. Well, they did fool me because that's actually not the entrance. It's right next to the entrance. So Steak and Shake is now their featured restaurant, basically. $9.99 single steak burger with cheese combo, which is not bad, but come on. Yeah, they're not doing anything here. Looks like they've removed some booths from over there. There's a lot of things this could be if they were doing good business. But they're not, so. Okay, here it is. OYO, something new is coming soon. Really? It doesn't look like anything soon to me. Looks like they just put the chairs up, and that's it. Wow. And of course, the swimming pool's already closed. 6 p.m. they're closing the pool. Come on. Jesus, it doesn't get dark till 8 o'clock. And it'll soon get dark at 9 o'clock. Let's see if we can see the pool from over here. Maybe. No, they got a mirrored glass. Hello. I was just trying to see the swimming pool. I can't. Yeah, sorry about that. She thought she had someone going to buy a Sprite or something. Yeah, you can't really see. This porch right here used to be absolutely crazy with business. You could barely get in here, and it would overflow into the pool area. Wow. Sad days for Hooters. While I'm here, restrooms are closed. Wow. Elevator enhancement underway. Delays may occur. Why is that sign knocked over, and why hasn't someone picked it up? I mean, that's ridiculous. Wow, that looks horrible. I wanted to get a look at the stadium, and this is a good place to get it. In fact, so good that they run you off when they catch you. That's what I hear anyway. Don't really care. Yeah, it's coming along. Some really smart people that build these projects. You can't really make any mistakes. If you do, it could cost $100 million on your mistake. Then you might get fired. Look at that crane. Jeez. But look at the rooms here at OYO. Look, they got their Y is not even lit. Crazy. But those rooms are going to have some kind of view inside that stadium, because that roof lifts up like a I don't know what you call it, but you will be able to see through. Not like you can watch a game from here, I'm not saying that, but I'm just saying it's going to be a beautiful view of the strip plus the stadium. Yeah, it's looking good. Wow, look at this. Park any damn where, any place you want tonight. Now this is Wednesday night, so I expected it to be very much dead. Main reason I came is to see if there was construction going on in the restaurant, because that's so important. Because that's going to be what triggers this place. It's certainly not going to be these elevators. This is the type of elevator you get in and you wonder if you're going to make it. So if you see an elevator like this, always be sure you pee before you get on it. Because if you ever got trapped, the last thing you want to do is have to pee. Make sure your cell phone is getting a signal too. I didn't check either one of those things. Can't even take my own advice. Sportsbook actually has people in it. How about that? Maybe that's where they can hang their hat, on the sportsbook. Now this bucket special, these beers are $6 a beer, but it says here $3 a beer. Oh, Busch Light Draft. Okay, look, they got a bottle there, like they're going to give you a bottle for $3, but in the writing it says Busch Light Draft. Big difference between that bottle, which is pretty good beer, believe it or not, and then you got to get $6. You got to buy 5 of them to get a $6 price. That's bullshit. So I don't consider them having any drink. They're not serious yet. They've got $5 3-2 blackjack. That's just about as serious as they're going to get, and that's easy to do. I mean, come on. Now the backtrack on that beer. If that beer is in a cold mug and it's really cold served, then yeah, I can do that. In fact, sometimes that's better than a bottled beer. But you can't chance it, because a lot of times it'll be a lukewarm draft beer in a completely shelf mug. Can't do it. However, of all the casinos that are slow right now, about 4 of them that I can think of. Can't tell you which ones, because I'm going to do a video about it. This will be part of it. This one, OYO, like I said before, they've got to change the damn name. Nobody knows what the hell OYO is. I believe it's Korean. Is that right? Korean? No, it's Indian. It's an Indian brand. Nobody knows what the hell it is. That waitress laughed at me when she walked by. She was thinking, I don't know what the hell it is either. Where'd she go? She evaporated. It's like on a highway when you see a car in your blind spot and then you can't find the car at all. It's gone. It completely evaporated. That's what happened to her. But then I did find her. So of all the ones that are, they've got to change the name. Number one, they've got to change the name. But number 2, they've got more upside than Virgin, in my opinion. They've got more upside than Circus and, well, I was going to say Excalibur, but Excalibur's in the same boat as them. They're going to be across the street from the stadium. Once that stadium is open, it's going to make a drastic difference. It's going to be drastic immediately, because not only do they have the baseball, they're going to have monster trucks, they're going to have Pee Wee Herman concerts, they're going to have all kind of stuff. A $5 3-2, $5 00 roulette. I'm sure they have $5 craps too. They just don't have the game going. Let me see if they've got a sign on it. I don't know. Well, that lady didn't want me in here. She heard me bad mouthing. That's why it's bad to go when it's slow. But this property does have the most upside of any property in Vegas. When I say upside, I mean they're going to go from losing their ass to making a fortune. Some of the other ones that might be barely making it to making a fortune would be behind them, because they're not going to move as much. It's like people that have a podcast and they said they're the fastest growing podcast in the nation, because they went from 4 viewers to 30. And people that have 1 million aren't going to 30 million. So the upside on this property right here, they hit this is a gold mine. I mean, most people drive by this place and say, gold mine, this is a piece of crap. But it's not. They could spend $100 million on this property and easily get it back. But I don't understand how they're still able to use the Hooters logo out here. They're even telling me I can get shrimp in there. Shrimp and burgers.